we're gonna go on a quick test drive. The car definitely likes to kind of walk on the road and kind of wiggle. A lot of body roll. It's very easy to shift. The brakes have a really good bite to them. Definitely cutting right through the seals and whatnot. Like I said, the car has this weird kind of body roll to it. Just kind of sways back and forth. Alignment feels good though. Car's driving straight. Hit on the brakes kind of hard here. 3, 2, 1. Oh yeah, they have a good bite to them. You can definitely screech the tires if you put it down 100%, so that's really nice. Car's driving great though, no issues with the shifting. Suspension feels good as far as the bumps go. Motor seems really healthy. Power steering. Okay, we're going to do a visual condition report. So we're looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, any cosmetic imperfections that we can find. We're going to assess this car front to back, interior, engine bay, take it for a drive, and really overlook this car the best that we can as if you were here in person checking it out. Here on that tire, got the primes, 205 50 15. No, I'm sorry, 205 60 15s. Date code 2019. Looking at that wheel, that is in phenomenal condition. Very, very clean car. Looks really good. Couple small little markings. Fender looks really good though. Nice and clean. Weather stripping here looks good. Typical fading on here, but it looks like it's all intact in good condition. Here on the top, still nice and soft. Looks incredible. Very, very nice. Looking at the door, you got the tiniest little mark right there. Weather stripping looks good, nice and clean. Do see a couple chips on the edge there. Lower rocker, I do see one little ding over there. It's very subtle. Couple little markings there. The rest that looks good. Got the primes. Dago 2019, and that wheel itself is really, really nice. Couple little scuffs on that trim. The rest that looks good. Looking at the clarity of the headlights, they look amazing. scanning that hood, very minimal imperfections. Looking for like rock chips and things like that, and there's really nothing standing out to me yet. Looks incredibly clean. Those lights look perfect. That's just something on the surface of the paint. It's not a chip. Honestly, I'm not seeing any chips yet. That is really, really nice. Let's get underneath here the best we can. Looking at that. A couple little scuffs here and there. That headlight looks good. Getting close right there, you're gonna see some chips. You get inside that jam, you can see a little crack there. Mirrors look good though. I mean, this is an absolutely gorgeous car. There's not a lot to pick apart yet. That looks good. Top is in great condition. Some light scuffs here and there. Looking at the trim, you're gonna see some aging and things like that. Good look in there. Let's see that. That wheel looks good. You do have some cracking right here. You can see that. Looking at that middle light, that looks good. And this lens, I'm not seeing any cracks there. I'm gonna try to get underneath. Let's see if I can't get over here a little more. And then of course under here you're going to see little scuffs and scratches and little wear. But everything that you can see just kind of walking around the car looks good. And looking at the interior, got the blue leather. See the door goes all the way out to 90 degrees. Looking at that upper panel, you're going to see a lot of wear and age on here. Handles on there nice and secure. Looks like that's kind of broke, busted off. The jams look good though. You can see this just falling apart. It's all falling down. There's no carpet here. Then looking at the seat, I see a lot of wear. The middle, the leather's a little hard, you know, some tears. It looks like they redid the bolstering though, so the blue does not match. May show up in camera a little bit, but in person you can definitely tell the difference here. Looking at the steering wheel, it's in great condition. You got the cracks and the wear on the dash. All right, checking out this door panel. Typical wear. All of that feels solid. Handles on there nice and secure. It does open. Looks like it's missing some screws and the alignment is off. Overall carpet looks decent. Looking at the jams. You can see that's ripped on that liner. That trim looks really good. A lot of wear, flaws in here. Leather stripping. Looking at the seats, you can see the backside's a lot lighter than the front here. This is pretty bright, and that's a lot lighter. It may not show up in camera as much. The leather's kind of hard. That's nice though. It almost looks like this was all redone, and these were done, but the original inserts possibly. Don't quote me on that, but this is kind of what it looks like based on how soft that is. So it looks like they just kind of redid the outside piece. Looking at the carpet, overall looks decent. Try to look under there. Here on the dash, you can see some stuff kind of falling down here. Looks like it's missing something there. You have some cracks and typical wear up there. And looking back here, you can see all the wear and aging up there. Here on the seat back though, looks good. Check out the engine bay here. Stickers, they look amazing. Alright, we'll just scan through this. Got a lot of photos of it as well. Here on the underside of the hood looks incredible. Hardware looks good. See the aging in here.